Welcome to the material session of Bhopal Sir's Career Point. This is a video for the student of class 12 on Unit 8. The name of the unit is Aldehydes and Ketone. This is the second video of this unit covering the topics preparation of aldehyde and ketone by oxidation of alcohols and by catalytic dehydrogenation of alcohols. Last video रे आमे आइसोमरिज्म कथा पढ़ी ए वीडियो रे प्रिपरेशन रो आरंभ करिबा। प्रथम प्रिपरेशन पढ़िबा बाय ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल, देन बाय कैटालाइटिक डिहाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स, बाय ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स फॉर aldehyde. व्हेनेवर प्राइमरी अल्कोहल को यदि हम ऑक्सीडाइज करिबा इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिडिफाइड K2CH2O7 और KMnO4 और डाइल्यूटेड SO4, देन कॉरेस्पोंडिंग aldehyde फॉर्मेशन है। आमे जानिछु ये aldehyde पुनी थर ऑक्सीडाइज हेले कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड रे कन्वर्टेड हबो। सेनु फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन न हबा पाई इट विल बेटर टू कैरी द ऑक्सीडेशन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ PCC. Now what you have to write in the description? When primary alcohol undergoes oxidation in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate or dilute sulfuric acid, then corresponding aldehyde is formed. Noted below. Aldehyde should be distilled out from the medium as soon as it is formed, or oxidation is carried out in the presence of PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. Otherwise, it is oxidized to carboxylic acid. यदि हमें एसिडिफाइड K2CH2O7 और KMnO4 और डाइल्यूट 2SO4 सहित ऑक्सीडेशन करूछु, ताले as soon as aldehyde प्रिपरेशन होला परे ताको सेपरेट करने को आइसोलेट करने को पड़िबो, डिस्टिल आउट करने को पड़िबो। अदरवाइज ए रिएक्शन टी को PCC प्रेजेंस रे pyridinium chlorochromate प्रेजेंस रे कैरिड आउट करिया पड़िबो, जा फल रे आउ फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन हबो नाही। लेट अस कम फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट अस टेक C3 इंस्टेड ऑफ R. आज अगर हम C3 नेले कोन पाइबा ना, इथाइल अल्कोहल को ऑक्सीडेशन करले हमको एसिटाल्डिहाइड दबो। IPS रे हम कहि परिबा इथानॉल को ऑक्सीडाइज करले से हमको इथेनॉल दबो। सो व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट? व्हेन इथाइल अल्कोहल undergoes oxidation in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate or dilute sulfuric acid or PCC, then acetaldehyde is formed. Let us come for example 2. Let us take C2H5 in place of R. Then what should be the compound? The compound will be propyl alcohol or propanol. The product will be propionaldehyde or propanol. In the statement, when propyl alcohol undergoes oxidation in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate or dilute sulfuric acid or PCC, then propionaldehyde is formed. Now let us come for ketone. By oxidation of alcohol, हमें ketone किभली prepare करिबा? Instead of primary alcohol, we have to take secondary alcohol. यदि हमें secondary alcohol नबा, ताले aldehyde परिवर्ते हमको ketone टी मिलिबो। Secondary alcohol को oxidize करिबा in the presence of acidified K2CH2O7 or KMnO4 or dilute SO4. So in the statement part हम कौन लिखिया को पढ़िबो? When secondary alcohol undergoes oxidation in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate or dilute sulfuric acid, then corresponding ketone is formed. The ketone should be distilled out from the medium as soon as it is formed, or oxidation is carried out in the presence of PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. Otherwise, it is oxidized to carboxylic acid. आमे जानिछु सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल को ऑक्सीडेशन कले प्रथम कीटोन दिए, पुनी कीटोन फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन ए कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड दिए containing 1 carbon atom less than the parent alcohol. So जदि आमे पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट बा पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट बा डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड सहित ऑक्सीडेशन करूछु, as soon as ketone is formed, it should be distilled out from the reaction mixture. Otherwise, ये पुनी ऑक्सीडाइज है कि कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड को पड़े, or we can carry out the oxidation in the presence of PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate, as a result of which, as it is a mild oxidizing agent, the ketones cannot be further oxidized. Now come for the example. Let us take C3 instead of R. Then C3 number, it will be isopropyl alcohol or propene 2 oil. It will gives us acetone or propanol. In the statement, what you have to write down? When isopropyl alcohol undergoes oxidation in the presence of acidified K2CR2O7 or KMnO4 or diluted PCO4 or PCC, then acetone is formed. Now, let us come to the second preparation by catalytic dehydrogenation of alcohol. For aldehyde, we have to take primary alcohol. Whenever primary alcohol is passed through heated copper tube at about 300 degrees Celsius, then dehydrogenation takes place in corresponding aldehyde is formed. Primary alcohol name aldehyde. When vapors of primary alcohol is passed through heated copper tube at about 300 degrees Celsius, then corresponding aldehyde is formed. Then dehydrogenation takes place and corresponding aldehyde is formed. We can write also. Let us come for the example. Let us take C3 instead of R. Whenever we take C3 instead of R, the reaction will be C3C2, that is ethyl alcohol, dehydrogenation of acetaldehyde by ethanol. When vapors of ethyl alcohol is passed through copper tube heated up to 300 degrees Celsius, then dehydrogenation takes place and acetaldehyde is formed. Now come for ketone. Say dehydrogenation method रे हमें ketone केमती पाइबो. Now instead of primary alcohol हमें secondary alcohol नबो dehydrogenation पर aldehyde परिवर्ते ketone पाइबो. When vapors of secondary alcohol is passed through copper tube heated up to 300 degrees Celsius, or we can write down heated copper tube at about 300 degrees Celsius, then dehydrogenation takes place and corresponding ketone is formed. Let us come for example. Let us take C3 in place of R. Then the reactant will be isopropyl alcohol or propene 2 oil, and the product will be acetone or propene 2 oil. When vapors of isopropyl alcohol is passed through heated copper tube at about 300 degrees Celsius, then dehydrogenation takes place and acetone is formed. Or simply we can write down, when vapors of isopropyl alcohol is passed through copper tube heated up to 300 degrees Celsius, then acetone is formed. Thanks for watching Hopal's Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time.